Sanwanan Wichum. So welcome to my very first YouTube video of the year. So please like, engage, comment and all that. Things about consistency.
Abadala bafuna umsindo majoritini petishini thola ama signature abadala bafuna umsindo majoritini.
Yesterday I went to an exclusive media event and this is how it went.
Because I want to do his son, but I need to get my guy. It's only the Kim in the building. Like a spinal cord. Yes.
Guys, she's a superstar.
Thank you so
She's
much.
that girl.
So today I'm gonna go to school. Basically this is gonna be spend the weekend / week with me. My birthday is coming up next week Tuesday, so yeah, I'll be taking you guys with me. I was supposed to be doing my hair on Monday, but I can't, and then there's something that I must shoot for. Guys, so happy to be working with brands. I'm happy. So yeah, this is the perfect time for me to start YouTube. And I'm feeling a bit down today because so I have to go to the chemist. I don't understand pharmacist because I don't understand what's happening lana like out of nowhere. But anyway, asibangene manje it's 10 to 7 I think. So sengiyahamba ne baby uzokhona ukungaba. I think she's gonna wake up. It's fine. Sharp. Cute outfit of the day. I don't know. So today we'll be doing our monologues. Basically, it's like the final assignment to wrap up our part-time classes. I'm very bummed out about this rush because but an actor doesn't care about that. An actor shows up, an actor pulls through. So yeah, let's go. Today I'm early, so that's why I'm relaxed. That's why I'm early. So I can't wait. Let's see how that goes. Yo guys, I just did my monologue. Yeah, it was an emotional one and I need to de-roll. I need to take a moment to breathe and know that it's Tshego now. Helen, you are going. It's me now. I need to come back to my body. Yo guys, after emotional performances, de-rolling is important, like generally, mara specifically after emotional performances you have to, otherwise you will lose yourself. But I ate, I'm done. One take, actress, yeah. Hey guys, I'm done with class. Musa, I wonder if we are Vela or
Guys, I just found out ukuthi Tshego uyagula, my daughter, so I have to go to the clinic. Well, not that I just found out. Indaba, she's been.
Hi guys, now updates Niana. So when I came back from school, my husband texted me ukuthi Tshego was not feeling well, our daughter, she's not feeling well. And then ngahlangana nabo ekliniki. So my phone turned off as I was about to vlog also that part. Ekliniki umntwana vele bekashisa, she was asleep, and that's not my baby. Like, I know my baby, she's very naughty, very bubbly, very hyper. So she was weak, she was tired. Yo guys, and she wasn't stomaching anything, so I was very 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 stressed. I sharp ekliniki ngamkukanyana, and then we went inside sakhuluma nabo nurse. Why yabona i-pandemic enye abo nurse, guys, like they're so mean attitude. Like, what do you mean you're lecturing me for something that I didn't cause? Fever. So she was very hot, she was weak, she wasn't eating anything. I wasn't there. Ngiyazi ukuthi umntwana makashisa uyamkhipha ivest, asale ngevest mhlambe ukuthi angashaya amakhaza kakhulu. But if she's extremely hot, ukhipha nayo leyo vest asale nje, yabona nje abe ngcuno, abe birthday suits. Uyanganation. So I know all that, but then I didn't do that because I wasn't home, and my husband doesn't know ukuthi umntwana udila naye kanjani makane fever and stuff like that. But anyway, we got the medication. Fast forward. Enye into engibhorile namhlanje, guys, I'm gonna desensitize ama-taxi as much as are affordable and siyafika la siyakhona fast. Guys, what do you mean uhlala ku i-taxi yase location A? Location A meaning kumele uscout around location A. What do you mean sesise location H? Sifunana nabantu ku location H. Guys, I got to school late and ngisuke early. Ngiphume lana early and I got to school late. I hate that because what do you mean? Yo, guys, at some point I was in like nyang kidnapper or nenzani lana, because why sisekasi engalazi? Like bengqala in my whole entire life, I've lived here forever. Bengqala ukuthi itaxi isuka nami lana iye nami kwelinye ikasi nje engal understanding, ngibona ukuthi like sikuphi masilana, why sifuna nabantu lana. Thole nje ubaba oyi-1 after sizula kangaka. Yo, guys, I'm gonna like uNkulunkulu anginika amandla ukuthi ngithenge imoto because wow, what was that? Why? But anyway, that was my day in a nutshell. I'm about to eat dinner right now. Nibonile ngibuye nomngena endlini. uLithabo, she's still sleeping. I gave her the medication and then walala futhi. I'm waiting for my man to come back from buying chips, sile nenyama, and then that's the end of the day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're looking for me, I'm gimbaying with my man. Yo, baby, see, downile shem. Done. Clean.
Dusted.
Done and dusted. Morning, guys. Hey, guys, my face is on fire. For my face is on fire, and then for my lips, I'm not sure. I don't think I'm supposed to use this on my lips. So I'm going to be using it on back. Guys, and I want it to be good before my birthday. Because today is Sunday. My birthday is on Tuesday. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be okay. And I'm going to into makeup, obviously. So I doubt which man is wearing into makeup. So today's plan for the day. Yeah, today's plan for the day. Today's plan for the day. OOTD of the day. It's literally giving that. But my plan for today is I have to shoot for a campaign. I have to shoot for a brand, and then I need to submit my draft so that I can approve. And oh yes, I have to undo my hair because tomorrow I end up deciding I'm gonna go do my hair tomorrow. So I have to undo my hair. I have to blow out my hair, and yeah, that's it. And obviously I'm gonna cook Sunday dinner. Dramatic Sunday goes by Tshego. Yeah, that's the plan. So spend Sunday with me. Woo! Tablet. It's an airplane. Mommy, I miss you. I miss you too, my baby. Let's go then. Okay.
Situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it up and forget all the fuss.
Okay guys, I'm going together and then after la I'm gonna shoot again for a campaign. So now I'm gonna go edit and then send them the draft. Hope they approve so I can post. Okay guys, sengiyaqhaqa manje. Hopefully I'm done by 9 and feed my hair and then I can blow it so that by tomorrow my hair is silky enough to but I'm having a bad time currently because I couldn't find my blood relaxer. Oreo outside. Morning guys, so this is what I'm getting update, but I was thinking I'm planting lala, then my husband just did it for me while I was asleep, and then right now I'm treating my hair. Blow it out. It's gonna be more silkier and more, you understand? This is the best treatment ever. Like while my hair is being marinated, yeah, I know. And then I don't know if it's okay. I mean, I can't but it's currently 4:30 and I need to be out here by 5:30 latest 5:30. Now what I'm saying totally rush lena yabona angazi ngathi manje ngumama nje ozohlebe enye indaba eserious ngishota ngegawuni yabona ngibangene. But yeah guys, jokes aside, my face, I feel like it's getting better. I'm going ham on this treatment. I'm drinking my pills. I'm thinking because my face needs to be smooth by tomorrow. You understand? It has to be smooth by tomorrow. Like guys, I'm on my excuse. No excuse, pay up health. And when I come back, I'll be shooting for Sheen. Brands make a dance. Brands make a dance. All these brands in my emails, I'm just popping hey, brands to make a dance. Brands make a dance. These brands pay and they ain't using rands. Oh yeah, guys, I couldn't even do outfit of the day because I'm running late. But this is how my hair looks right now. And then yeah, I wanna never ganjan. See you again.
Everybody watching. What do you
I just arrived. I'm in Bedford, but I'm just waiting for the window to open for me. But I don't know which house it is because it's on the state. So yeah, basically whatever gate opens, that's where I'm going. Okay guys, I'm done. Did Mobila not eat? Did Mobila not eat? Yo, she ate down. Look at this. Depression postponed, sana. Everything postponed. Anything else on the end, I would think depressed postponed. Stress postponed. Ah, I look so gorgeous. Mangithi last gloss kodla. But the rush lena isang bambing ama machine. But I don't care because I'm gorgeous. Ah! Yo, guys, I can't believe it. And I get back to you, ngoba ke kumuntu osebenzisa ifoni kanje. Now I'm home, as you can see. This is my first meal of the day. I'm just waiting for abantu wami ukuthi abile ngizodla netiye. Okay guys, so today's update is that I'm a bit down, not because of my rash. As you guys can see, so the cream is really helping me. But Litabo, her eye, there's something wrong. So tomorrow I have to go to the pharmacy. So change of plans. I don't know if I'm still gonna be able to go on the solo date. I hope I still can. But I'm gonna feel a bit down the whole day, because now but I'm just happy that she's eating and she doesn't have a fever anymore. Now she has sores on her mouth, cold sores, and then her eye. So I'm assuming it's I contacted my sister-in-law. She told me that maybe it's an allergy, so we have to go to the pharmacy tomorrow morning, and then shooting to corner before to my date. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the pharmacy, and then from there I'm gonna drop her off at my sister-in-law's place, and I'm gonna go. But if she's feeling worse, because I feel like she's good now, but if mbona ngathi akekho right to the extreme, then we're gonna have to postpone my date, my birthday date. And yeah, but right now I'm about to go sleep, and then tomorrow is a new day. We'll see what goes on tomorrow. This week has been so hectic. I ended up not even shooting for Sheen, because when I came back I was super tired because I woke up very early, as you guys remember. I woke up very early to go do my hair, and then when I got back I just had food, and then Litabo started getting worse. Her eye was getting very scary, but then I got her eye ointment pharmacy namhlanje kuseni when I was in town. I got her the eye ointment when I was in town. So hopefully tomorrow she starts looking better. But we have to go to the pharmacy just to find out exactly what the problem is, because honest, they don't tell us what the problem is. They don't tell us how to prevent what this is. They don't tell us what's the cause. So I need someone that's going to tell me exactly what's wrong. So yeah, that's how it's going to look tomorrow. Pharmacy, after pharmacy, wake up, bath, pharmacy, sit in those places, and then I go. Yeah. But okwamanje nje sesiyolala sobona kahle kusasa. Say morning.
Morning, guys. It's my birthday. Boo, 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 boo. But, guys, my daughter's still not feeling well. So, we're about to go to the pharmacy. Guys, if on me low, I don't understand why didn't I charge it. But if on me low, let me charge it to see, guys, and then we're gonna be going to the pharmacy. Let's go. Do this in selfie mode, because what do you mean? Guys, I woke up. I need to claps. Happy birthday gift bag. Yeah. Okay, wait. Look what my man got me. I win. Guys. Yo. Hey, guys, Batung, Aibo, I win. Yo, guys, here. Yes, here. Guys, it's the 17. Sure, Batong, and then he kept it. Yo, I need to call him. I need to call my man right now. Ha.
Brush your teeth. Wow!
But guys, can you see her eye is better today? Because we've been using an eye ointment. Yeah, guys, a pharmacy. So the pharmacy that I went to yesterday. So I hope today. So a quick unboxing outside my iPhone 17. Can you see there? Yo. Ngisaba nokuyibamba ukabona mama makuthengele impahla ezisha usaba uyazi ukuthi angisigqoki lezi ungasigqoki for. Oh gosh, wow. Manje kuyenzakalani manje mase kuso? I turn it on. Nansi ngwenya itsibaba zizingwenyama. Okay, 17, I see you. I need to go. Oh, English, Sana, English. South Africa. Where? I hope ngiyabonakala nje. It's on. Default, continue. Yo, guys, I'm setting up my iPhone and then boom! Guys! Woo! I cannot believe it.
Party don't start till I walk in. Selling down.
looking for a birthday cake at Woolies. I'm so shy to vlog in public, yo.
Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love. Sasa shuba, pelo jabula, hallelujah. Usatani, umesupa, kunukulu, peli tipa, peli dawa, peli mita, bambelela, sasa shisha, dakimani.
Guys, I'm so obsessed. What's this? I was charged 400 rand for a cover. 400 rand. 400 rand for a cover. Like, excuse me.
This time, I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you be
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tshego. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is the end of the vlog. And this is my wish. I wish for 100k subscribers. Yay!
I just want to say to my man, thank you so much for a thoughtful gift. Guys, hey, Lomuntu Lona, he kept it a secret for how long? It's crazy, from like March. Because his colleagues were even saying, wow, you finally did it. They were texting him saying you finally did it. And that's crazy because he was telling them that he wants to do this one March. And he kept it a secret until now. Crazy. I mean, I would have never been able to. Like, when I'm saying something, like, I know they're going to appreciate it. I just tell them. But it's so nice to a surprise. So, in future, I'll try not to tell him. But I always tell him what I want to do on his birthday. But, I'm so thankful, man. I'm so thankful to my babe. Like, he knows how excited I am. I'm sure everybody has seen. I know right now, this is the last clip that I'm editing, so I know everyone has seen by now what my gift was and how excited I am. Yo, reporting live from my phone from a I'm super grateful, guys, and if you made it this far, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Turn those notifications on because I'm gonna be more consistent. And yeah, basically you'll be getting me. You know, I feel like there's no app for me, for who I am. So I'm running away. I'm coming to YouTube for that. So you guys will be getting to see my motherhood journey, being a mom, being a wife, and yeah, being a student, all those things. Being a nail tech, you guys are gonna see everything that I am behind the characters, behind the skits, behind the content and all that stuff. So yeah, if you'd like to see more, please like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and then I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.